Hey there, speed enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance motorcycles, and we're starting off with a bang. Did you know that the Triumph Speed is the fastest motorcycle you can buy in 2024? That's right, this beast can reach mind-blowing speeds that will leave you in awe. Now, let's introduce the Triumph Speed. It's not just any motorcycle, it's the ultimate speed demon on two wheels. With unparalleled power and agility, the Triumph Speed is the epitome of speed and precision, setting the bar high for all other motorcycles in the market. But with great speed comes great responsibility. Balancing extreme velocity with safety and control is no easy feat. The engineers behind the Triumph Speed have truly outdone themselves by creating a machine that can push the limits while ensuring the rider's safety at all times. So, what makes the Triumph Speed stand out from the crowd? Let's dive into the advanced technology and design features that make this motorcycle a true marvel. From aerodynamic bodywork to cutting-edge performance components, every detail has been meticulously crafted to enhance speed and performance. Now, picture this, a thrilling real-life scenario or race where the Triumph Speed leaves its competitors in the dust. This is the climax, the key moment where the Triumph Speed truly shines and showcases its superiority in action. It's not just about numbers on paper, it's about real-world performance that takes your breath away. In conclusion, the Triumph Speed is more than just a motorcycle, it's a work of art. With unmatched speed, precision engineering, and top-notch performance, it's no wonder why it's the fastest motorcycle in 2024. If you're a speed enthusiast looking for the ultimate adrenaline rush, the Triumph Speed is the one for you. Now, it's your turn to take action. Explore more videos on high-performance motorcycles, share your thoughts on the Triumph Speed in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling content. Until next time, ride safe and stay fast.